David Smith here with another Flipped Classroom math video. Today's topic, how to write your problem statement and your process for the equally wet problem of the week, or as we like to call in class, POW. So basically, the hard part about your problem statement is you're needing to explain the task of the POW without talking about gardens, flowers, and sprinklers. You need to reduce it to its essential math concepts. So, in this case, you're talking about 2 points that are equidistant from other points. These points lie on a line, as we've been talking about in class. So you need to explain that problem without talking about flowers and sprinklers, okay? So that's the challenge there. We'll talk more about that in class. The second point is the process. Now, the process describes all the steps that you've gone through to work on this problem. And I'm having you get started on that now. However, you won't be able to finish your process until you've finished your solution, because you're going to talk about things and how you arrived at your solution. There's one common mistake with process, is students will put actual math discussion in their process, and that goes in your solution. The process covers things like, first, we read the problem and made sure we understood what we were being asked to do. Second, we collaborated in a group and we talked about it. And perhaps one student helped you understand it better, or perhaps you helped somebody understand it better. All those things are good for your process. And there's one key thing about your process. If you get help from somebody, you should mention that. Occasionally, some people can't on their own find the solution to the POW, and that's okay. If you got help from another student, or perhaps from me, and you got led to the solution in that way, you just need to give credit in your process. So you might write something towards the end where I struggled and struggled and struggled, but I ultimately couldn't solve question 2 of the POW. So I went to David's extra help, and he showed me how to get there, and so I'm just giving credit at that point. Okay? So remember, 2 key points here. Problem statement, only math. Reduce the problem to its mathematical concepts. No flowers or sprinklers mentioned there. Process, only talk about the things you did to solve the problem, not the actual mathematical steps involved, the things you did in class or at home. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.